In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a database in Notion. Let's start at the source. Open your browser and go to notion.com. If you're using the web app, click login and sign into your account. If you have the desktop app installed, you can click launch Notion to open it directly. Once you're in, make sure you're in the correct workspace, especially if you have access to more than one. Your export will reflect the workspace and permissions you're currently using. Next, navigate to the page that contains the database you want to export. In Notion, a database can look like a table, board, list, gallery, calendar, or timeline. Open the page where that database lives so you can access all its settings and options. At the top right of the page, click the three-dot icon to open the page menu. This is where you'll find the export controls. Scroll down the menu and select export. This opens a dialog that lets you customize exactly what you'll get in your downloaded file. Now choose your export format. If you want a spreadsheet-friendly file, CSV is the most straightforward for table-style databases. If you need something you can edit and share broadly while preserving structure, Markdown CSV or HTML are solid choices. For a read-only snapshot that looks consistent everywhere, PDF is convenient, though it's not ideal for data analysis. Pick the format that matches how you plan to use the export afterward. You'll see options to choose which databases are included. This is helpful if the page contains multiple databases or linked views. Select only the database you need or include more if they're relevant. You can also choose the included content. Depending on your setup, that may control whether properties, files, or comments are part of the export. Including more content gives a richer archive, but it can increase the file size. There's also an optional toggle to include subpages. Turn this on if your database entries contain detailed pages with nested content you want to keep together. If you're only after the top level data, you can leave it off for a cleaner, lighter export. When everything looks right, click export. Notion will prepare the file and download it to your device, typically as a single compressed folder. Give it a moment if your database is large. That's it. Your Notion database is now exported and ready for use wherever you need it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.